Tinamat. Let us pray. Peace. This is Learn to Speak Shona with Zimbabwe Kid. How do you say, let us pray in Shona? You would say, Tinamat. Tinamat. And that is, let us pray. Prayer is important because with prayer, you can ask for forgiveness from God. You can ask for something from God. You can be closer to God. You can just be grateful for life, for everything you have. You can be grateful. You can be thankful. You can ask for forgiveness. You can ask for guidance. So much that you can do with prayer. So, let us pray. Tinamat. And that's it for Learn to Speak Shona with Zimbabwe Kid. Peace.